Skipping the dentist sounds like a dream until your teeth fall out in your soup. You've probably seen those glossy ads popping up in your social media feed lately. They promise a Hollywood smile for the price of a dinner out. No appointments, no drills, no massive bills. It's called Viralona. It positions itself as the ultimate shortcut for dental work. The marketing is incredibly slick. They show people laughing and eating with total confidence. They claim these dentures use special suction to stay locked in place. It sounds like a total game changer for anyone struggling with their smile. But we have to look closer at what's actually happening behind the curtain. Putting medical grade devices in your mouth isn't like buying a new pair of shoes. When a professional makes dentures, they take precise molds. They check your bite. They ensure your jaw is aligned perfectly. Viralona bypasses all of that. You're basically playing a high-stakes game of guess and check with your own oral health. Think about the mechanics of your mouth for a second. Every single millimeter matters. If the fit is off by just a tiny bit, you're looking at more than just a little discomfort. We're talking about painful sores. We're talking about extreme difficulty chewing. You might even end up with long-term jaw pain that costs way more to fix than the original dental visit. There's also the massive question of materials. When you get a device from a clinic, it's regulated and tested for safety. With these DIY kits, the standards are much more mysterious. Are they durable? Are they safe to have against your sensitive gums all day? The promotional pages are filled with glowing reviews. Everyone seems perfectly happy. But you have to ask yourself if those reviews are the full story. Bold marketing can make any product sound like a miracle. These kits aren't necessarily a scam in the sense that they send you nothing. They might send you a physical product. The real issue is whether that product is actually functional or safe for long-term use. It's a classic case of something being too good to be true. If it were really this easy to fix a smile at home, dental clinics would be closing their doors. Your mouth is a very sensitive environment. It's not a place for experimental DIY projects. Before you click that buy button, you need to weigh the risks. A bad fit can lead to infection or structural damage. Is the saved money worth the potential health problems? Most medical experts say absolutely not. It's always better to consult a human being with a medical degree. They can actually see what your mouth needs. Taking a shortcut on your health is a recipe for regret. Viralona might look very tempting. The ads are designed to trigger that hope we all have for a quick fix. But your health deserves professional care. Don't let a flashy video ad talk you into something that could cause permanent harm. These kits promise you can eat whatever you want. That's a heavy promise for a piece of plastic ordered from a website. Real dental appliances require adjustments and follow-up visits. A one-size-fits-all approach is almost always a mistake. Professional dentures are built to last for years. Cheap alternatives might degrade or warp. This leads to even more issues down the road. Protect your smile by doing the right research. Talk to a dentist you trust. Don't fall for the convenience trap. Your health is worth the extra time to do it right. Stay skeptical of anything that promises a medical miracle without a doctor.